Welcome to PPT Channels. Today in this video, I want to show you top 7 add-ins in PowerPoint that I prefer. So let's begin. So the first question arises, how to get add-ins. So for that, you have to go to the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, you'll go to the Get Add-ins. Okay. As you can see that there are so many categories. You can select any of the category or you can just write your search here. Alright. So here we go with our first add-in, that is Web Viewer. So click on Add and here you click on I agree to all the above terms and conditions and then hit on Continue button. And here you will see that a box will appear. You'll just have to adjust the size of the box according to your slide design. Okay, right now I'm going to cover the whole slide with it because right now I haven't designed anything. And here you can see that automatically the Wikipedia URL is there. So if I go to the preview of the Wikipedia, and it is interactive also, you can directly click here and you can go whatever you want. You can search also. So you can write your search here like this. Isn't it very easy? I'll go to the Add and here now I'm going to add the Google Meet. So for that, I have already copied the URL. So I'm going to paste it over here. And I'll go to the start of this URL and I'm going to delete everything that is present before www. So let's delete. Perfect. And now press the preview button. And you can see the map clearly. And when you go to the slideshow, it is very much interactive and you can click, you can go to the terrain view as well. Alright, and you can zoom out or zoom in as you wish. Alright, or you can move the map like this. So these add-ins makes our work very easy. So let's move on to our next add-in. So here we'll go to the Get Add-ins. And our next add-in is Poll Everywhere. So let's go to the Add. Let's press Continue. And here you will see a box. Alright. So for this kind of add-in, you will need a login. So I've already logged in. And here I have this question. You can just go to the new activity right now. Alright. And you can choose the kind of activity you want. So here I'll go for multiple choice question. You can add it. Once you have added your questions, you can just click on Save button. And here you can see that the question will appear here and right now there are no answers. So for that, what we can do, we'll just have to go to this link. So audience will have to type this link and then they have to start polling for that. But it makes the work difficult. So for that, to make the work easy, here we go to our next add-in. Let's go to the Get Add-ins and here we are going to type QR for Office. And here is our add-in and we are going to press Add and press Continue for that. Now here we are going to type the same URL. So let's type. So here we have our URL. So you can select the color as per your slide design. Here I'll go for this red shade. Okay, and you can change the size also. I'll go for a little bit medium. And here let's insert the URL and then let's place it over here. Now the audience can vote live for the question which you have inserted here. So let's try it out. As you will see here, as soon as I voted from my phone, the poll will automatically appear. So it's a live poll. Okay. So here with the combination of the Poll Everywhere and the QR for Office, we have created a live poll. Alright. Now let's move on to our third add-in. So our third add-in is breaktime. Add-in, how to add the breaktime. So for that, in the search option, let's just click breaktime and let's press Add. Alright, And here you will see a box, and here the timer is written. You can just adjust the timer. You can either increase the time to around 15 minutes, all right? And then you can just have the type. If you want a coffee break, you can just write a coffee break. And if you're setting the timer for the starting, yes, here we go. And when you want to start, you just have to click on the start button and the timer will add in. So our next add-in is Pixton. So if you want to add cartoons to your presentation, so for that Pixton is the best option. So let's write Pixton here. And here we have the Pixton comic characters. And when we click on add, we have to agree to all the terms and condition and press continue. So here you can see the Pixton comic characters and you'll get started. So that's a quick start. You can just select your pick. Alright. You can just select the skin color then. The hair type you want. And then the outfit you want. And here you can set the pose as well. Alright. So right now I want to give this pose. And here you can adjust its size and you can give the animations also. So isn't it wonderful? So let's move on to our next add-in. So here our next add-in is free images. So as soon as you write free images, you will see so many options over here. So Pixabay images, Shutterstock images, Pick Me, and Pexels. There are so many you can go for. Here I'll go for Pexels, and you just have to agree to all the above terms and conditions and then press continue. You can search for any free photo. So I'm going to write nature over here. And see, we have the beautiful pictures which are free to use. And you can just insert them by like this or by just clicking over here. And it gets automatically in your slide. Beautiful. So here, now let's move to our next add-in, that is Pro Word Cloud. And here I'm going to add it. Press the continue button. And here what we have to choose, where basically we have to choose the ad from which we want to create a word cloud. So here I'm going to add a text. So here we have this kind of word cloud and we can just drag it over here and we'll have this word cloud and we can use it in our slide. So it makes our work easy and fast.